Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, this is my second YouTube video and I am a student content creator. I'm learning languages, I'm a sports person, I play basketball and I do swimming and I have a startup. Needless to say, this is the reason I'm making this video. Have you ever noticed something weird? People don't talk to you, but they stare at you. They listen when you speak, but they never seem to approach you. You are the most intimidating person in the room. You are somebody who people feel uneasiness near. It's actually a great thing. This means you're not like others. You are somebody who others see as inapproachable. Even though you are personality wise really friendly, just the way you carry yourself looks to them like uh, you are somebody who wouldn't care about others. But it's not your problem, it's their problem. Point number one, you're not easily characterized. People can't put you in a box. You can be a sports person who studies technology and wants to learn languages. You are not a follower. You are not obedient, but when you do things, they turn out good, even without obedience, which is surprising to most of the people as they are brought up in a system which rewards obedience. For your own category, these kind of things they confuse people because they observe you instead of approaching you because they don't know what to expect from you. You are like this. You're like a Kinder Joy. You don't know what to. They don't know what to expect from you. What they'll get. It could be a toy or something they like, or a toy which is not, they don't know how to use it or make it useful. Point number two, your confidence feels very unfamiliar. Mostly people rely on groups, validation from others, teachers' approval, praise, or social comfort. But when you walk in, you completely destroy that characterization system because you come with independence, you come with self direction, you have your own goals, you have your own energy. You are like this portable system which doesn't need any extensions. You can just work on your own and you don't need external help. But people, they expect that from you because they want the same thing in return. And when they don't get it, it confuses them. It it makes them admire you in some cases and also resent you in some cases. Because if they cannot be you, they gotta beat you, which they cannot. People stare because confidence is rare. People avoid because confidence is intimidating. You have no idea how much your confidence is affecting the way people treat you. Trust me, if you are a girl, you are underestimating yourself automatically. And it's not your problem, it's not your fault. You are brought up in a system. But I want to make sure that after this video, you walk with confidence just like this kitty on my head. Point number three, they're afraid to get the wrong story. When you ask a question or when you speak and suddenly everyone looks, you become the main character. Why? Because they never know what to expect from you, which piques their interest. They're not watching you because they dislike you, they're watching you because they don't know what you will do next and they want to be there to view it like an audience. You literally have fans near you and you don't know them. From your point of view, they might be people you don't talk to much or you don't know anymore, but from their point of view, you are that bitch. Point number four, you have more depth than the social world can handle. Everybody doesn't come with the same capacity of handling things or processing things. You have lived, you have achieved, you have struggled, and you have rebuilt. You need to understand that when you do all of these things, it doesn't It's not something like a cute little story. It literally shapes the way your life will turn out, the way you are, or the possibilities which will open just because you fought against your ego, you fought against all the adversities, and you are at the same place where others bought or came in their own way, which they believe is not enough because they are comparing themselves because they are comparing themselves with you, and they don't feel enough. This is one of the signs that you have done more than enough to be there, and you deserve each and every help or guidance given to you. Most people at your age are still figuring out the basic self esteem, confidence, but when you enter the room with your growth, reflection, self improvement, and ambition, it confuses them. It makes them blind because they have never seen somebody go through all these stages so fast. Do with your proximity around them. Number 5. Strong people trigger insecure people. This is one of the most basic lessons I learned when I was improving or focusing on myself. Your life experiences give you emotional intelligence, which is really rare to find as of now. You have independence because of your thinking and your decision making, and the way you bring out the things which you like to do. You have assertiveness because you have self confidence, you're sure of yourself, and that assertiveness can come as intimidating to people who are either gender discriminant if you are a girl, or who want to be the main character in the room without doing the inner work that it needs to be done. You come with maturity. When you have all these things, you have maturity and clarity, and God forbid, if you're a girl and you dress well, people will just see you as a witch. Yeah, they will see you as somebody who is automatically their competition. Even though you are just there to improve yourself, they will see your work as as an offer to compete to them. And when this happens, that's when the communication gap starts. Because they don't want to seem that you are approachable, but they just because they don't want to talk with you or show that what they have is not enough, even though you wouldn't judge them. But because they feel inferior or their insecurities are triggered, they feel like when they talk to you, you will know exactly what they are. People mistake this for arrogance. Um, they don't hate you from their core. That's what I want to believe. But they are scared that they won't be able to match your energy. When you bring all of these things to the table is too heavy for them to sit at. Number 6. You don't chase people, and that's there. In a society where chasing and hustle culture is really promoted, unlike others, you don't run behind friendships or attentions, and you don't beg to be included. You use your silence as your power. People don't talk to the ones who don't need them, they watch them because they don't want to seem like they are fan of yours, even though they are admiring you, just because they feel like they are not enough. Not talking to you is their limitation, not yours. You are evolving. You have outgrown the environment. You are not lonely. You are just very selective. And that is needed, obviously, in this era. Your energy is expensive. When you take care of yourself, when you always look good no matter what you are going through, and you value your time and only invest it in things that will actually give you a good outcome, and you have standards higher than their comfort, people avoid what they cannot understand. In simple case, people will avoid what they cannot understand. So if people look at you but they never talk to you, celebrate it. It means you're becoming someone they cannot categorize. You are unpredictable. They cannot, and somebody they cannot ignore. You're not intimidating. You are evolving. Your evolution always makes noise, even in silence. And that is a sign that you are becoming what you want to do. And all of these things that happen, whether you are in an office or in a classroom or in your home, these people could be your relatives, your friends, your family, but you need to understand that what they inflict on you is not what you are. It's what they want you to be in order to feel superior. And for you, it doesn't matter. Follow me for more self awareness and psychology and transformation related content. And love ya.